Hey, good morning, class. So what we're going to talk about today is pedigrees. And I just want to cover, this is kind of leads everything into genetics, is the next thing is pedigrees is showing how to share it. Now, you think pedigree, and a lot of people think dogs, which we do have a very good record of the pedigree of dogs, but of course dog food. No. What it is a diagram is going to trace just one trait through the entire generation, several generations. Now, some people have already had some of these done in their families. You might, maybe not. You know, this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to take me off of here, and then, whoops, wrong button. Here we go. So. If you're looking at this pedigree, you can see the different generations. This is the first generation going into everything's equal. See how it's straight across? Second generation to third generation. If you need headphones, I just thought about this. I have some over by the door. I picked some up, so if you did not bring any, pick them up there. Now, what do these things represent? First of all, if it is a circle on the pedigree, then it's a female. The square represents a male. Okay. Now, if I'm looking at this pedigree right here, how many girls or females are on this pedigree? And if you're looking at this also, how many boys or males are on this pedigree? If you said 3 girls, you are correct, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. And 2 males, 1, 2. If you were looking at this, you would have, of course, mom and dad. This line is going to represent, sorry, I had someone pop in there. So this is a picture of, this would be mom and dad, and then this would be their kids on bottom here. There's daughter 1, daughter 2, and then a son. Now, most pedigrees will label these with Roman numerals, meaning Roman numeral 1, 2, 3. Honestly, or I mean, they just use number 1, 2, 3, and they go across. They're pretty simple. So it usually goes from oldest tier to youngest. That's how, excuse me, that's how pedigrees are set up. Now, you can see daughter 2, and then I'll tell you who the oldest is in every family. And you want to remain these things the same, so when you look at any pedigree, you know, okay, there's the oldest person, and then here's the youngest. Okay, a horizontal line connecting 2 people is going to be a marriage. This is saying this this female and this male are married. Now, how many marriages are in this pedigree? If you said 2, you are correct. There is 1 here, and then there is a second one right here. And if I'm looking at this, you can see these 2 people had 3 kids wherever they're connected. Okay, 3 kids, and now their son got married and had 1 kid. This would be 1, 2, 3 generations. A vertical line extending down from a marriage represents the couple has children. So, for example, that's saying these 2 people share a child together. Now, sometimes people, like females, will just have a single line. That means they weren't married, they just had that child. Okay? So if you're looking at this, you can see some different ones. Okay? All right, I might pause this. I might bring up a new one.